Hello. So I've just been to the gas station and I got some 94 octane. So the mower and the bike, I suspect, should be pleased with that. Funny, I found that I'm recording on an iPad. It has this little cover, this case thing, kind of like a little book. And generally, it makes recording difficult because it has one place you can set it, but it's on an angle that really, I suppose it's convenient for watching, but it's not convenient for recording. So, but as I put this in the car, I found that if I put it upside down with the book thing on the dash, right by the steering wheel, does pretty well. It just sits there. It might shake down or something. Oh. Anyway, it's funny. The traffic. The traffic is not great around here, and it's funny. There's two gas stations, kitty corner across the street from each other, but neither one is really convenient to get to or get out of the way I want to go. So I'm not going. I'm going to go down and around, But anyway, I did get gas, 94 screaming octane, and I will put some into the Yamaha DT125 and give it some more kicking. I'm suspecting whatever remnants are left in that tank are pretty thick with oil. And I think I will have to rethink mixing oil in, because I have no indication that the oil pump isn't working, so I suppose if I wanted to mix it at the prescribed level, I could do that, and then somehow turn the automatic oil pump thing off, but I'm not sure I want to do that. I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, so in a few minutes I will be home. I will fill the tank in in the motorcycle as well. I will do the lawnmower. Why? Well, why not? Why not? Why not indeed? So, I was listening to the Blue Jays, and it looked like their 6-3 lead was eroding. One certainly run was not thrown away, but walked in, so it was 6-4. But I believe there are strict regulations about broadcasting any video or anything that has accounts of Major League Baseball games. So I will not broadcast any such authorized or unauthorized or whatever things. I was listening to a radio station called The Fan 590 in Toronto. They do all the Blue Jay games, but it's funny, if you go on the internet, like say you say to your Google Home thing, hey Google, play me the Blue Jay game, or tune in The Fan 590, you won't find the game there, because for some reason they're not allowed to do it over the internet, but they can do it through the airwaves. Very strange. Maybe someday that will change. Maybe not. Alright. So, traffic is pretty okay here. I have not seen any motorcycles as of yet, but there have been some out today. I mean, right now it's Labor Day weekend, and it's Labor Day weekend, and certainly The weather there's a gentle chill in the air as summer is coming to an end, but certainly nothing to keep would-be bikers from riding. Nothing at all. Alright. So, I'm just driving up Main Street, Unionville. And of course, there are people who have a tendency to just walk in front of moving cars. It's not a healthy thing to do. I'm just going around, fellows just walking down the street. There are lovely sidewalks, lovely flowers. There are. Anyway, so back to my previous message. Always take a gas can out of the car or a trailer and put it on the ground when you are filling it. Be it metal or plastic or whatever approved, be sure to use an approved container. Always, always, always. You do not want a static electric spark come and ignite the fumes. We do not. If you want to see what happens, go to Google or go to YouTube and search. There are videos of burning cars, and people running, and people getting burned. It's not good. Not good. So, I did not fill the gas can completely because it makes it harder to pour. It does. So we are almost back. Almost. By the way, you know, another thing about photography is it really comes down to picking a good frame. And it's funny, I have found that I do like this, the way this iPad sits here. It does not really move around. Now, at times, of course, when I'm turning, you will not be able to see me because the steering wheel will be in the way. But it's an interesting frame. Anyway, we're back. We're home. I'm never not sure where to look on this thing. Anyway, we're back. So, time to turn off the car, turn off the iPad, fill up the gas tank.